Today we talk about how can you enable new messages notifications on your Brandly app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Brandly app. So all you have to do, so you just scroll down, click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you click here on notifications here. When you just click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you can head to your messages here, clicking this side. That like you see this color show for us. That's many new messages notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.